its last few years. The PPN hostel, it has seen its, the great days, the sad times, the glory days, and eventually the closure in the 1990s. And the next speaker, Mr. Ravi, he was among the last batch of students who stayed at the hostel. 30 years after Mr. Extreme Moto's time. So can I have Mr. Ravi on stage for the next?
Hello, Vanakkam. Thanks for Ravi for such an opportunity. I didn't prepare anything. I just want to share all my thought. ஒரு கதை சொல்லலாம்னு இருக்கிறேன். என் வாழ்க்கையில் 2 தடவை எனக்கு வந்து அம்மா போட்டிருக்கு. First, when I was a young boy, they had an amma OC on my கையில். So the next day, a few days later, அந்த wound இருக்குல்ல. So I went to the school, Tamil school, estate, Taluntan Rubana estate. So the teacher asked me a question, which is heavier, one cutty of iron bars or one cutty of sponge? My mind was, iron is heavier than the panji. So I was adamant and said, no, panji is not heavier, only the iron is heavier. He doesn't want to listen to me. You know what he did? Pambaris, pepper, the wooden pambaris, he took the wooden pambaris of mine from my bag and hit me on my hand. Start bleeding. And everybody shouting, oh, it's bleeding. I don't care. You must buy me the new old ruler. I don't care about my ratong. I want you get me the new ruler. My mother was working as IMA at the nearby child care center. She ran to the school and brought me to the hospital and put me bandage. But I still refused to get him his excuses. I want my ruler back. Finally, he bought a ruler, I think 5 cents. I still remember. The reason I'm telling this story is I was adamant to go for something that I want to achieve my life. Whenever the estate has pay days, salary days, they will have a few donation box and on the table. One is written, Elubalai tuition fee. Second one, PPN hostel fee. Third one, some welfare fee. I used to ask my father, what is this PPN hostel? He used to tell me a story. Every Sunday he would sit with me. He's not educated. He's a union leader in the estate. He used to tell me a story that about 2 prominent figures. One is Dr. K. Padmanabhan, the other one Dr. Subramaniam. These are 2 people from University of Malaya. I don't know whether they stayed in the PPN hostel, went to the University of Malaya, now become a deputy ministers. So that was in my mind. I have to go to the University of Malaya and I must stay in the PPN hostel. Unfortunately, I had a second chicken pox during my university orientation day. So I couldn't complete my university orientation day. I didn't get a place to stay in the hostel. Then I called my father. Those days I used to have a landline, only no handphones. I called my father. I said, I got a place in university. I'm the only one coming from Bahau, now currently in Bahau, still under NEPW estate. The Ketco, Kampung Ketco, I don't know how many people knows about it. My parents are still there. So I told my father that I got a place in the University of Malaya, but I didn't get a place to stay. He said, our PPN hostel is there. Then I went to the PPN hostel in 1991, somewhere in August. There was a guy called, his name is Naidu. He said, we closed admission, no more admission. I said, I'm from NEPW, Kampung, NEPW Ketco. He said, no admission. I squatted the place for 1 week. Finally, they caught me and brought me to a place where called, they said, used to have a canteen. That particular day, NEPW had a conference in somewhere in PJ. So everybody came to there, they were served with the Nandigari. Mr. Mariam was there. Mariam knows me very well from the age of 10, from Kampung NEPW Ketco. He's the one recommended me to stay there. I was the last batch, I was the last person to get admission into the PPN hostel. Sadly, know that the reason they don't admit a new admission is because they want to close down. One morning, there was a newspaper, Tamil Nation, distributed to the PPN hostel. Everybody was shocked, saying that PPN hostel pari pogurudhu. So that's the last day. Then after that, a about only one floor was open. I think the left wing, the right wing was closed. Around 45 to 50 people were staying. Finally, they said we have to go out from the hostel. I was elected as a chairman for chairman for Deepavali night. I organized the Deepavali night. I still remember the famous song from Captain Prabhakaran played, and we closed the hostel officially. And 15 of us were given a place in Jalan Keri, PJ, to stay until we complete our studies. This book, Nice to See, Nice to Hold, Once Broken Considered Soul. It's the broken heart of PPN hostel. It cannot be medicated. So I still remember some thugs was brought into the college, I mean the PPN hostel, to take us out. I didn't have much experience like what you all have, because there is no canteen. We only have a stall across the field where we can have a good meals of breakfast for 90 cents. That's the only things I remember. Nothing much activities, no canteen, no activities, student activity, no student body leader. Everything was in the midst of closing down. So I was very happy when Mr. Ravindra from Saramban recruited me into this WhatsApp group. And I not much anticipated or participated in this group, but I used to see every activity of the group PPN hostel. I still remember my father said PPN hostel. He was very praised of PPN Narayanan. But what was happened to the society greatly saddened. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You know what's interesting is, I was born in 94. I never got to see the hostel. Every time my dad talks about the hostel, it's only an image of, where the hostel used to be. But today I actually work right across from where the hostel used to be. I work in Celcom DJ, it's across Federal Highway. From my office window, I can see the space where the hostel used to be. So it's really nice because every time I see that space, I remember all these stories. Thank you very much. I pass it on to Mr. Vikraman.